I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can share your TikTok profile. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about TikTok. TikTok is an app where you can create videos easily, join daily live streams and find new creators. Now open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on the 3-bar menu icon, which is on top right. Now you'll land on settings and privacy page. Under account, there you'll see the option of share profile. Tap on it. Here you can see that you can share your TikTok account to individuals, as well as you can share it through different apps like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Drive, Snapchat and many more. For now, I'm going to show you how you can share your TikTok account through Facebook. Here you can see that you can tag people, add caption and share how you're feeling. When you are done, tap on post, which is on top right of your screen. This way you can easily share your TikTok account. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.